In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multi-select and match in Zoho Books. Whether you're a small business owner or a diligent bookkeeper, mastering this feature will simplify the management of your transactions and streamline your bookkeeping process. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you need to navigate to the banking module in Zoho Books. Look to the left sidebar of your screen, where you'll see a list of different modules. Click on the one labeled Banking. This area is your starting point for managing bank transactions and is essential for maintaining accurate financial records. Once you're in the banking module, your next step is to select the bank account that has the uncategorized transactions you wish to manage. This could be any account you've linked to Zoho Books, so take a moment to locate the one with the transactions that need matching. With the correct bank account selected, it's time to enable the Multi-Select and Match feature. At the top of the Uncategorized Transactions tab, you'll see a toggle called Multi-Select and Match. Click on this toggle to activate it. Doing so will allow you to handle multiple transactions efficiently, saving time and reducing the chances of oversight. Now that Multi-Select is enabled, it's time to dive into the transaction lines. You'll notice a Select button next to each bank statement line within your account. Click the Select button for each bank statement line you wish to match together. This process allows you to group related transactions, making it easier to find and categorize them accurately. Once you've selected the lines you want to work with, Zoho Books will automatically display potential matches from your existing transactions in the platform. It harnesses the power of automation to identify the best possible matches to your selected bank statement lines. Review these suggested matches closely to ensure they correspond correctly to your selected bank transactions. After confirming the suggested matches, it's time to finalize the process. You'll see a Match button. Click it to complete your multi-select and match session. This action will reconcile those selected transactions, reflecting them accurately in your financial records and reports. By completing this step, you're ensuring your accounts stay up to date and your bookkeeping tasks become far more manageable. This simple and effective multi-select feature is a game changer, especially when handling numerous transactions. By routinely using this process, you'll not only ensure accurate financial records, but also significantly enhance your bookkeeping efficiency. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made multi-selecting and matching in Zoho Books clear and straightforward. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to refer back to this guide at any time.